Good morning and welcome. It's Julie Cube. I'm here in Queensland, Australia on a very, very hot day. I think it's about 35 today, which in Queensland we don't normally get it that hot. Anyway, onwards and upwards with this lovely gallery wrapped canvas of 60 by 90. Got my little push pins in the bottom, so hopefully it's going to turn out gorgeous. I'm using my Keep It Simple pouring medium by Global, KISS for short. Very excited about this pouring medium because it really does work awesome in all techniques by just changing the consistency of your paint mix. There will be a video, a link to mixing paints for acrylic fluid art with the KISS pouring medium in the drop down box or the first comment. Okie doke, what I'm doing here is using, I think it was called peach, delicate peach or soft peach. It was a colour that I've had for a long time and it was a global colour, so I'm not actually sure if they still have that colour, but it's a very kind of pale peachy cream. So I thought, what better than to do a real earthy kind of pour. So it's got metallics in it, and I'm going to do a real nice earthy pour, but with a pop your socks off bit. That colour that I'm popping in there is 50% gold, 50% metallic silver, and it makes the most gorgeous champagne colour, which I absolutely love. So I will let you watch me load my flip cups with that colour, those colours, and that one is simply burnt umber that I've added black to because I like it to go darker, sort of a darker brown. And then I'm simply going to do a flip and tilt.
Too close to the sun. Maybe in another life we could have worked it out, but we got too close to the sun. When all is said and done, when all is said and done.
Nice and slowly do that tilt. Don't rush this part of your process if you're doing this particular style. It really takes it really needs to take you time to enjoy the process, but also that you don't lose all the good bits by tilting quick and it all running off. Just really be mindful to just take it really nice and slow. And looking at your composition, looking at the bits you want to make sure you keep if you possibly can. And when you're tilting, just make sure you tilt evenly. And when you have finished your tilt, always recenter the paint back to the kind of centre. Don't leave it all down one end or the other. But look how absolutely stunning those chocolatey, earthy, yummy caramel. Now I feel like a caramel sundae ice cream. But yeah, that's absolutely gorgeous. And these kind of pieces of art that are just this kind of composition and colour and technique, they really sell well. I think people look at them and just see so many different earthy kind of things. And they are obviously pleasing to people's eye. So if you want to make a bit of cash for easy art, these are the ones that really do sell well. So there you go, little bit of knowledge for you that I find anyway. So I'll just push on with this, just finishing off my edges, sort of making sure everything is just so, and then I'll give it a whiz over with my heat wand just kind of bursts the air bubbles in the paint, and I find it kind of helps the paint absorb into the canvas, and it always sets nicely. It's just finished off nicely. Thank you so much, my sticky viewers that are always with me and watching and comment. I appreciate you guys so much, and I hope that you enjoyed this very simple but very beautiful piece of art. The wall app that I'm using, the app is called Picture Wall app, and it can place your pieces in any size, so you could have prints of your piece to sell prints on a canvas or whatever, but it gives you all the ideas there instead of just, you know, the actual canvas itself. So I hope you enjoyed. Take care, and I will be back tomorrow. So bye for now.